In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap Send. Choose the currency you're sending from and set Philippine Peso, PHP, as the currency your recipient will get. Enter the amount you want to send, then tap Continue. Next, choose who you're sending to. You can select Myself if you're sending to your own GCash or Someone else if it's for another person. For the receiving account type, pick Mobile Wallet or GCash if it appears as an option. Now fill in the GCash details. Enter the GCash-registered mobile number, starting with 09, and the full name exactly as it appears on the GCash account. Double-check the number and name, because wrong details can cause delays or failed transfers. Wise will show you a summary screen with the amount you send, the fees, the amount in PHP. The GCash user will receive the estimated arrival time. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm and Send. Wise will process the transfer, and once completed, the money will arrive in the GCash wallet linked to that phone number. The recipient will see it as a normal GCash balance top-up. If GCash doesn't appear as a direct option in your country, you can instead send PHP to a Philippine bank account, then cash in from that bank to GCash using the GCash app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.